Hi, it's Hardware Set, and today I'll show you how to set fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first, open Settings. Then we need to find the Security and Privacy. Now lock screen and fingerprint. Now draw your pattern and continue. Then register. Right here is the fingerprint sensor. Press your finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted, then press again. So we need to repeat that a couple of times. Remember to register every part of your finger. Oh. Okay, 80% already. $96 and $100. Now done. And let's try it. It works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.